This is something that I can't believe I never did. And I didn't think that I was going to love this, but it has honestly changed my life. This has moisturized my skin so much. Hey guys, hope everyone is doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a new video, and this one is going to be my updated day and nighttime skincare routine. First things first, in the morning, what I like to do is double cleanse. So the first thing that I usually would be using is the Mario Badescu Skincare Enzyme Cleansing Gel. Oh my god, beauty guru. This is for all skin types, and I'm not really sure what exactly it does specifically, but I know that Enzyme is pretty freaking lit, because who knows, maybe my pillow might be dirty, or I didn't cleanse properly the night before, or a bunch of other factors. So I just want to have a clear skin in general. And then I like to go in with this hydrating lotion. Truth be told, it's a cleanser, I think, but like when I translated it into a hydrating lotion, I bought it in Japan, and if you guys have ever been to Japan, literally there is nothing in English, so you just gotta do a lot of guesswork. And it feels like it's water-based, and it's very like buttery for some reason, even though it's watery at the same time, but I feel very refreshed and cleansed afterwards. So that's what I like to go in with as well. Hopefully you can see that one. If not, I'll be putting all of the images here and in the description box down below. Secondly, I like to tone, and I like to use the same toner in the daytime and the nighttime. It is the Young Natio Oil Control Toning Lotion. To be completely honest with you, I don't think anyone truly knows what toner is, but every time I put this baby on a cotton pad and then put, you know, that stuff around my face, I have so much excess makeup. I don't know what it is. I double cleanse. I have a deep nighttime process, which we'll be going into later on in the video. So I don't know how this happens, but it is magic. It does smell like alcohol, but you know, I just feel like I have this refreshed kind of minty feeling, and I don't know, that kind of gets me going. So prevents unwanted shine, refreshes and refines, clear and healthy skin. Also, I am not a dermatologist. Stick to your dermatologist, but this is what I kind of use. Now, after this, I would go in with an acne spot treatment, but instead of that, I have vouched for the oil-free daily scrub by Neutrogena. Scrubs are also very controversial because a lot of dermatologists say that it risks your skin and it strips it of its natural oils, but I have heard a dermatologist say that it takes an entire week to have, you know, a skincare routine and see the results. And this is a daily scrub, so don't use a scrub that doesn't say that it's a daily scrub. After toner, I like to use something vitamin C based, because I think that it improves the elasticity of your skin and just skin health in general. I like to use the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension 23%, a water-free, silicone-free and stable suspension, and it is by The Ordinary / The Abnormal Beauty Company. I have really liked this. The only problem with this is that it kind of leaves my skin really like oily until it kind of seeps in, like it takes a long time to kind of go into my skin. After the vitamin C serum, I like to go in with the Mario Badescu Hyaluronic Eye Cream. Wow, I killed that. I like to use this both in the daytime and the nighttime. I think it's very important to have a specific formula for your eyes other than, you know, your skin, because your eye area is way more sensitive. So I think that an eye cream is really good for moisturizing, and it's something that's very important to be used daily. So it is this really nice consistency. I am obsessed with Mario Badescu. I think their stuff is very affordable. After all of that, I like to wait until it all sinks into my skin, and then I like to put on Skinstitut's Moisture Defense Ultra Dry. There you go. And this is not sponsored, but Skinstitut is Australia's best skincare company in my opinion. It's a company that I feel like loves Australians because it is so affordable. You can go into any laser clinic, Australia clinic, LCA, and you can have a talk about your skincare routine. Look at your skin and they recommend you the type of moisturizers they have, cleansers, peels, you know, scrubs, all all of that kind of stuff. So Moisture Defense Ultra Drive Intense Hydration with peptides, and it smells pretty good as well. So let's go on to the nighttime skincare routine. The first step to my nighttime routine is to again double cleanse. Mario Badescu Skincare Enzyme Cleansing Gel. This is good, again strips off all the basics. And then this is the mother of mothers. This is the cleanser of cleansers, and this is what I use with my, with my Clarisonic. I like to go in with the Skinstitut Lactic Cleanser. It exfoliates and refines with the Clarisonic. So I put a pea-sized amount of this. I don't know, I just feel like I'm exfoliated. I don't have as many blackheads on my nose now. It's something that goes in like, and it just refines it. This is literally like a toothbrush for your face. Just make sure to replace the brush heads because the brush heads get really gross and they actually give you more pimples if you use them for a long time. Again, the Natio toner for oily and combination youthful skin, light flex. And then again, I use the Mario Badescu Hyaluronic eye cream. This is the part of the step process where you would put on any treatments that are needed to be done. So if you have any problematic areas, or if you want to just add that little bit of spice to your skincare, this is the time to do it. What I do is I mix between retinols and anti-spot treatment. So every day I will kind of switch between the two. So this is it. These are both by Skinstitut recommended to me. So this is retinol serum and this is even blend serum. And oh my god, this smells like tea. I'm not even joking. I don't know why. Does this have tea in it? It is for sun damaged, breakout prone and pigmented skin. It helps prevent acne. It helps with wrinkle lines. So literally any type of problem that you have, spank some retinol on there and it is going to do wonders, sister. Or the even blend serum that clarifies uneven skin tone and pigmentation as well. So it's basically the same, but I like to spice it up a little bit in my skincare routine so my skin doesn't know what hit it, and you know, apply to areas of unwanted pigmentation. For stubborn pigmentation, combines with one tiny shake of Skinstitut vitamin C. So again, vitamin C. So this is the step of the process that is very generic. So this is where you would be applying your face oils or your face scrubs or face peels or face masks. When I'm on like a treat yourself night, I like to put a face mask on during this process and just call it a day and then put some moisturizer on before I go to sleep. So I like this face mask. This is what I bought in Japan. So it is a sake kasu face mask. It literally smells like sake. Or I like to do the Skinstitut Enzymatic Micro Peel, and you can actually sleep in this one. This just takes off any dead skin or any unwanted things in your skin. It's an exfoliant. Apply a smooth film to clean face and neck. Leave for 5 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, pat dry. Use as often as needed. Some other honorable mentions is this Beauty Coffee Cafe Latte Coffee Scrub Face Wash. Your face just smells like coffee and it clears away all of the, you know, gross stuff. Just use the beads to exfoliate and massage your face, and this is kind of like a fun little one that I bought in Japan as well. Oh, and this is rare because I just can't be bothered, to be honest, but this is cool as well. This is a charcoal mask, but if I use this, I just put it on my nose. This is something that I can't believe I never did, and I didn't think that I was going to love this, but it has honestly changed my life. This has moisturized my skin so much. So I am combination, like I'm really oily here, but then I get really dry here and around my eye area, and then this is like really oily. Guys, okay, so the Mario Badescu, I use this every single day. The Rosehips Nourishing Oil, it like sinks into your skin. It's very intense. Literally the next morning I wake up, my skin is on another level of moisturize. Like, moisturizer does not do what this oil does. When I'm feeling fancy, I will use the Mario Badescu Seaweed Night Cream or the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. And then this is like drying cream, so I would put this kind of in this area where it gets really oily. It's just something to kind of have a little bit of variation. This one is a seaweed one for all skin types. Two more honorable mentions. I have not used this yet, but I have recently got this from Mecca Maxima. It is the L'Invitalite Microneedle Derma Roller. Keep it tight, keep it right. You know, that was it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, ambulance. Bye.